Hi guys, today we're going to open some packs in Futwiz. So yeah. You see, we've got Ultimate Team site. So yeah, let's get started. Futwiz. Pack opener. We'll open about 8 packs, because I think that's the limit. So first pack, we're going to open all rare gold packs. So hopefully we can get someone good. We get one inform. He's pretty good. I think he's only 4 rated. He's still a silver card. But our best player is Kagawa and Jovetic joined, so we need a better pack. Wow, another really bad pack. The second pack we intentionally opened, so it's the third pack. And we get Diego Lopez in form. I know he's not great, but it's at least something. 110k is what. We get Martzaka. I actually got Martzaka for quite cheap on Ultimate Team. Oh, we get Larson, Koke, and Gundogan. So yeah, pretty nice pack there. But still not on those big cards we're looking for. We're looking for a green card, possibly a man of the match, and yeah, a big player. We got Robin. We get Robin. He's worth over 1 mil. It's a very good card. And the 4 informs. It's a good pack, worth 1.6 million. Now the all rare gold pack. I think we've opened about 5. Oh, so there's even 6. Yeah. I've lost count. But let's just count this as the 7th pack. Oh, this is another good pack. Ericsson upgraded Valencia. The 2 informs, they're not great, but I'll take it. 224k. I've decided to open 10 packs because I think I've lost count and I'm not very sure about. Oh, Schweinsteiger, a high rated player again, 33k, then another inform. So yeah, that's pretty good. Another pack. Oh, we get a green. We get Duff from Ireland. They're obviously all Irish players. We get a green finally, and we get Uribe inform. So that's a pretty good pack there. It's worth about 120k. This is our last pack we're gonna open on Futwiz. And we get Boateng. Oh. Okay, so not the greatest pack. Thank you for watching this Futwiz pack opening. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I can't do coin. I can't give you links to coins anymore because of course FIFA destroyed the concept of buying coins. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and if you have anything to say, I'll be happy to have a chat with you in the comments. So yeah, bye.